Welcome to my channel NGS2 Vision. In today's video I am going to talk about the impact of transit of Rahu and Ketu on Libra sign from 23rd September 2020 to 14th April 2022. For Libra sign, Rahu is going to transit from your 8th house and Ketu will be transiting from your 2nd house for the next 1.5 years. So let's begin for the Libra sign. Sudden and unearned gains are seen during this period. You may win any kind of lottery or speculation during this period. Natives who are interested in share markets or who are related to share market can gain during this period. The most important thing is that Libra sign people should be alert for their health, as health issues are seen very prominently during this period. So take good care of yourself. Then comes the affliction. Affliction in relations, in marital relations, in family relations is seen during this period, as speech of yours is going to be harsh and rude and hurting one during this period. You may gain from any kind of insurance. Also, researchers who are involved in research, any kind of research can gain during this period. Your interest can grow in hidden knowledges in occult sciences during this period. Also, materialistic and luxury gains will be attained by you. Property matters and vehicles purchasing can be seen during this period. You may win over enemies or any kind of litigation if any are there. Sudden change in your career or workplace is also seen. There will be a specific rise in your expenses during this transit. Also, rise in foreign gains from foreign and foreign contacts is also seen during this period. So this was all from my side for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Good night. God bless you all.